Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Car Stories. Today, we take you on a journey back in time to explore one of the most iconic vehicles in automotive history. This car, Ford Falcon 1960 United States, a car that would make a significant mark on the automotive landscape, the Ford Falcon. This compact, economical vehicle was designed to appeal to the growing demand for affordable cars that were also practical for everyday use. Positioned as a family car, the Falcon quickly became a popular choice for consumers across the United States. The Ford Falcon was part of Ford's efforts to tap into the burgeoning compact car market. During the late 1950s and early 1960s, Americans were looking for vehicles that were smaller, more fuel-efficient, and easier to maintain than the larger sedans that had dominated the market in the post-World War II era. The Falcon fit perfectly into this niche. Produced from 1960 to 1970, the Falcon was offered in a variety of body styles, including a two-door sedan, four-door sedan, station wagon, and even a two-door hardtop. This versatility made the Falcon suitable for a wide range of customers, from young professionals to families looking for an affordable second seat. The heart of the Falcon's appeal was its simplicity. Unlike many of the more complex models of the era, the Falcon was built with a straightforward design that made it easy to repair and maintain. It was also lightweight compared to many of its competitors, which contributed to its fuel efficiency, a key selling point during a time when gas prices were on the rise. One of the most interesting aspects of the 1960 Ford Falcon was its design. The car had a clean, uncluttered look with rounded edges and a sleek, aerodynamic profile. Its simple but attractive styling was a departure from the more elaborate designs that were common in other cars of the time. Under the hood, the 1960 Falcon was equipped with a 2.4-liter six-cylinder engine that provided sufficient power for daily driving. Ford also offered an optional V8 engine, which gave the Falcon a boost in performance for those who wanted a little more excitement behind the wheel. This made the Falcon appealing to a wider range of drivers, from those who prioritized fuel economy to those seeking a bit more horsepower. The car's suspension system was designed to provide a smooth ride, even on rough roads. Ford's engineers focused on making the Falcon comfortable for long drives, while also ensuring that it could handle the demands of city driving with ease. Inside, the Falcon was functional and straightforward. The dashboard featured large, easy-to-read gauges, and the interior was spacious enough for a small family or a group of friends. While the materials used in the cabin were modest compared to higher-end models, the Falcon offered a comfortable ride for its time. In terms of safety, the 1960 Ford Falcon came with standard features such as seat belts, which were becoming more common in cars during this period. However, the Falcon's safety features were relatively basic by today's standards. Despite this, the car was known for its durability and ability to withstand the rigors of everyday driving. Ford's marketing for the Falcon emphasized its affordability, fuel efficiency, and reliability. The car was positioned as an entry-level vehicle, but it quickly gained a reputation for being much more than just a basic transport option. For many, the Falcon became a beloved car that represented the spirit of practicality and efficiency. The Falcon's success helped Ford establish a strong foothold in the compact car market, which would continue to grow throughout the 1960s and beyond. As the years went on, the Falcon evolved, with new models offering more features and options. But the 1960 version remains a classic that exemplifies the values of simplicity and functionality. Another reason for the Falcon's enduring legacy is its role in the American car culture. The Falcon became a canvas for customization, with many owners adding their personal touches, whether through performance upgrades or aesthetic modifications. This made the Falcon a beloved platform for car enthusiasts, especially in the years after its production ended. By the time the 1960 Ford Falcon was discontinued in 1970, it had cemented its place in automotive history. It was replaced by other models within Ford's lineup, but the Falcon's legacy lived on, particularly in the minds of those who owned one or admired its design and performance. The Falcon also paved the way for future compact cars in the Ford lineup, including the Ford Mustang, which was introduced in 1964. Many of the Mustang's design principles, especially in terms of size and performance, can be traced back to the Falcon, making the 1960 model a key influence in the development of future iconic Ford vehicles. Today, this car, 1960 Ford Falcon United States, remains a sought-after classic car. Its blend of simple design, reliability, and practicality continues to capture the hearts of vintage car collectors and automotive enthusiasts alike. Restored Falcons can be found at car shows, in private collections, and even on the roads today, a testament to the lasting appeal of this early Ford compact. In conclusion, the 1960 Ford Falcon was more than just a car. It was a vehicle that spoke to the changing needs and desires of American consumers in the 1960s. Whether as a family car, a commuter vehicle, or a project car for enthusiasts, the Falcon became a symbol of the era. Its design, performance, and affordability set the stage for a new generation of compact cars, and its legacy continues to resonate with car lovers to this day.